Hey everybody, how's it going? You're watching Nostalgic Reviews. My name's Nas. Who knew? Look at this thing, man. We are reviewing this beautiful little thing. This is a Kombi, man. This is a adorable little Volkswagen Kombi. For size reference, I've noticed I got this from Mustang Queen on Whatnot. It was very fair price actually. She had a nice case of these, and there's actually a raw chase version of this as well. But anyway, the box was deceivingly big when I saw it on screen, as it appears to you. You probably think this is like a big thing. It's not. Here's a Hot Wheels. Look at that. It is not big at all. This is I can't really zoom out here to show you, but you know how big the Hot Wheels are. So this is a small box, you know. Let's compare it to Street Weapon. There you go. It still looks freaking huge on screen, man. But I assure you, if you get this in person, you're gonna be like, it's so cute and tiny. But anyway, without further ado, here you go. Here's the box. Volkswagen right there. 1/64 scale. There's the beautiful top right there. So yeah, let's get this open. So it has a really cool magnetic whatchamacallit, there we go. Really cool magnetic thing. It's almost like a jewelry piece. I really love this packaging. There we go. See, like, so here we go. Opening it up. Not much on the back of that. Let me back up a little bit. Back up, but let's back this up a little bit. There we go. That's much better, right? Would you look at that? Oh no, it snapped shut again. So let's open this up. There's a really cool little foam piece right here. Lift that up. Look at that, man. Year of the Dragon, guys. How cool is that? 2024. Almost looks like 2026. But it's not. So, all right, I guess I'll use my little lens cleaner wipe here to get this out. Don't want to mess with anything. But let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh, dude, that is a beautiful little cool Kombi, man. Sorry, that's what it's called in Hot Wheels world. Let's darken this up a little bit. This thing's shining bright like a diamond over here. There we go. That's a little bit better. Wow, man, look at this thing. Sorry, it's it's freaking adorable, bro. 2024. So I have two twin sisters. They're identical twin sisters, not twins to me. I'm younger than they are. But okay, this focus needs to figure itself out. So look at those headlights. That's awesome. So yeah, and they were born on leap year, and they were born on a year of the dragon. And didn't drop it. Fun fact, it's leap year. 2024 is leap year, and it's year of the dragon. So to them, this is a big deal. I don't know why they made this 4 look more like a 6. It's kind of weird, but whatever. This is really cool. I love the paint. It's like I wouldn't say that it's what do you call it, Spectraflame, but it's extremely metallic. It's like they did paint it over a chrome. You can kind of tell right here. Okay, don't worry, this is all felt, so nothing's hurt when it's dropped. Let me show you this little close-up right there. See how the panels have kind of the shine through of chrome on them? That means that the undercoat is chrome. So this thing's totally chromed out underneath, and then they sprayed it with some kind of a red paint. Sorry, I'm trying to And yeah, every freaking single fingerprint stays. So when you put this into a display case, make sure you wipe this thing clean, and it'll look fantastic. So there you go. We have rubber wheels here with very metallic-y rims. Let's see, the base is plastic. You can kind of hear the plasticky sound, but it's okay. There's your front. Look at that beauty, man. I really, really love combis, man. Combis are just adorable. Look at this little cute thing. It's so adorable, hi little guy. Alright, I'll stop, sorry. I'll be manly. Alright, fellas, look at this VW bus, man. This thing's badass. Look at the badassness of this badass little VW bus, man. Volkswagen. Anyway, so I mean, there's really not much I can like tell you in this review. I mean, you're looking at this thing. We have a red interior. You can see the steering wheel there. Not too bad. Not too much detail in there, although there is detail in the seat. You can see the little grooves in it. But it's all one color, one casting. The wheels are really nice. Rubber, of course. Yeah, they're rubber. Just really, really pretty Chinese designs on here in gold. I love the white front. The headlights are cool. They almost look like they have like they have eyelids, you know? That's really neat. So love the little dragon on top there. So yeah, really, really cool piece to commemorate, you know, my 2024 Year of the Dragon. I think it's a major year for all of humanity. You know, we're moving away from all of that COVID bullshit, and you know, there's major wars going on. You know, like the one in Ukraine, the Russian invasion. There's all sorts of. It's just a big shift, I feel, in the world. And this is a nice little thing, I feel, to have in memories if we all survive and come out of this alive. I think this is a really cool thing to have in memories in the future, you know? So, really like this. So, yeah, once again, I picked this up from Mustang Queen on Whatnot. It was in one of her live auctions, and when she got this out, I fell in love with it, man. I was just like, yes, I want this thing. So I had to get it. And like I said, again, there's a chase of this thing, which is completely raw, bare metal. So I think she actually might be selling that. So if you want to reach out to her or Vic of diecastcreepo.com, you can ask them even on Instagram, diecastcreepo. And if you're interested in this, just reach out to them and let them know that you're interested. But as you can see, it's really cool. I love this packaging. Like, that is so slick, you know. Close that up with little foam right there. Love the magnet. Just a perfect little, like, jewelry style box, you know. I like this. This is how collector grade things should be presented. Just classy, nice. So there you go. And on that note, that's it, guys. That'll do it for this review of the little Volkswagen Kombi, little short bus. I love it. Year of the Dragon 2024. Leap year also. All that good stuff. So cool, man. Thank you guys for watching. My name's Naz. You just watched Nostalgic Reviews. Later.